If you are using Android phone, you will know the importance of touchpad in your Android phone. Either you are using Android or iPhone or Apple phone. If the touchpad is bad, you can't be able to do anything in that phone, either the operation or even doing the normal pressing in your Android phone. As an engineer, we all know the importance of touchpad in mobile repair. Hello guys, you are welcome back to Vitesse Communication channel. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Tap the bell to get notified when I drop important content like this. As we all know, in Vitesse Communication channel, we talk and teach about mobile repair, that is phone repair, both the hardware and the software. So what you are seeing on the screen there is touchpad. Some usually call it calibrator. In today's video, we are going to talk about touchpad in mobile repair. We are going to talk about the definition, the signs of faulty touchpad, and the types of touchpad in mobile repair. Stay tuned. So let's move to the first one, the definition of touchpad. Touchpad is a mobile part or is a part of a mobile phone that enables you to carry out operation on your phone by either tapping or touching. Touchpad is a part of a mobile phone that enables you to carry out operation on your Android phone, either sending of message, playing of game, or receiving of call. That's the work of touchpad in your mobile phone. We have known the definition. Now, let's talk about the signs of faulty touchpad. As an engineer, when you notice any of these signs or symptoms in your mobile phone or in the mobile phone you are trying to repair, make sure that you just know that your touchpad is bad. Number one sign of faulty touchpad is 1. The touchpad won't be able to operate. You will be tapping it, it will refuse to respond. Just know that it is your touchpad. Secondly, it will be touching partially or halfway. When you try to open code or you try to carry out any operation, it will not touch complete. Or when you are pressing phone number, one side will be pressing and one side will not be pressing. Just note that it is touchpad problem in your mobile phone. Another one is that your phone will be slow in responding. When you tap a particular app in your mobile phone, it will take very long time for it to respond. Faulty touchpad can cause that one. Another fault is that it will refuse to touch at all. Just know that it is a sign of faulty touchpad. Yeah, these are some of the signs of faulty touchpad. So as an engineer, when you come across any of these, especially when you are doing mobile repair, just know that it is touchpad problem. Since we have known that one, let's move to the type of touchpad in mobile phone. Basically, we have, let me say, 2 or 3 type of touchpad in mobile phone. We have the clip touchpad. This clip touchpad, they are a type of touchpad that's when you fix it in your mobile phone, you just have to click it, no need to solder. Yeah, you just clip it to the clip in the mobile phone. Some of these phones that come with those type of touchpad are the W2, the W1, WS3, WS7, Y11, A16, A33, and so on. They are many. So that type of touchpad that you don't see that are the clip touchpad. Just as you're seeing the one I'm holding on the screen there. Another one is the type we usually solder, that is the solder type of touchpad. This type of touchpad are being soldered to the screen of your mobile phone. Example of this type of touchpad are the touchpad in Untitled A56, the touchpad in pop 2 power, the touchpad in pop 2F, the touchpad in pop 2 plus, the touchpad in A56, touchpad in hot 6, spark 2, some hot 6, some spark 2, the touchpad in A36, and so on. So this type of touchpad, you solder it to the screen. They have some section where you solder this type of touchpad there. Then another type of touchpad is the glass on. Yeah, there are this glass touchpad. This one no need to solder or to clip. You just have to remove it, pour gum in the surface of the phone, and place a touchpad there. Those are the glass touchpad. Most of these phones that come with those glass are some of these hot 6, KA7, hot 8, 626, and so on. That is it. And when you are fixing this touchpad, either the glass is soldered or the clip, you should be very careful. Yeah, when fixing this touchpad, you should be very careful so that you will not damage it. And let the touchpad you are using, let it be the matchable one, the one that can match the phone you are doing. For example, when you are fixing touchpad for Y2, don't go and carry Y3 touchpad and fix. It will spoil your work. So when carrying out fixing or removing of touchpad, make sure that you be very careful. That is some of the precautions for a successful phone engineer. So guys, I hope you enjoy the video on touchpad, the signs of faulty touchpad, the uses of touchpad, and the type of touchpad. If you love what you are seeing, don't forget to click the subscribe button, share the video. See you in my next video. Bye. Lots of love.